Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Don't talk about my eyebrows because we having a bad day. Okay? It is what it is. I'm not finna redo them. Y'all just finna get this video. Okay? Today we just gonna do a smoky eye look. Y'all already know I gotta go in with my sweetheart P. Louise base in room 6. Room 5. I'll take my brush I had from earlier that I was dipping that maroon color in, and I'm going to blend out the brown and the maroon so it won't be so harsh. Okay, next I have this black P. Louise base. You always want to go in with either a black smudgeable liner or a black P. Louise base. Just so it'll be easier to like blend out the black eyeshadow because it's on my lid. You see how it easily glides across. That's what you want. After that, I'm gonna get me another brush. I'll take my all black eyeshadow. It's called Emotional. And I'm just gonna pat it, not blend. I'm not blending yet. And then I'm gonna go back to my maroon brush. And then just a little bit, I'm going to lightly blend where it meets the black. And I say lightly because I don't want the maroon to take over the black. I want it to look nicely blended. Now, if you have done all this, congratulations, you successfully did a smoky eye. Now, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'm going to come back and show you what it all looked like put together. This is how the final look turned out. I gotta throw on my lips real quick. I'm gonna just use this NYX Butter Gloss in shade Lava Cake. And then I'm gonna use this Dose of Colors lipstick in this shade Talk is Chic. And it's very pigmented, so I'm gonna do like a couple dots right there. Y'all let me know how y'all like the look. And let me know if I should keep doing smoky eyes.